Hello, girlfriend. Today we're gonna play some more Angry Bird Star Wars Rise of the Clone. Okay, to the good side from that last time we did the bad side, so let's do this. Okay, you again. Yeah, I know you. Okay, we must kill everybody. Move out of my way! Okay, there we go. Oh my god, I almost killed everyone. Okay, come on, go down, and we'll go down, okay. Okay, is that it? Is there a piggy? No, piggies are all dead. Piggies are all dead. Red piggies. They lived a great life. And back to the vid. Or clips. Okay. Okay, is that a bad guy or a good guy? I think he'd be good. I don't even know how to use this guy. So. Okay, I use it for those. Okay, nope, that's not supposed to work. I believe that. That's not how it's supposed to go because these are new characters get these guys in for the TNT. Oh yeah, there we go. Nope, not even close. Let me try again, That's supposed to work. Close enough. Close. Hiya! Nope. Too close. I don't want to waste my birds. I don't want to waste my birdie. A bald birdie. Golden birdie. Birds are gold. Nope, sorry. Okay. Nope. Ooh, no. I don't want to use her. What if she's deadly? Or is that he hear her? Coming to her. Oh my! Okay, there we go. At least I did it. That was OP. I'm awesome. And da-da! Oh my god, I'm gonna turn it off. They're like, yay! We did it! We did it, pal. We did it. Yeah. We get a present. Oh, we don't get to open a present? Let's open a present. We'll see what we got. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. Iron berries. I don't know what those are for. I think I used them once. I can't remember. Hiya! And okay, that was an epic fail. Oh no! No, they're hitting a wolf. No, they're hitting a dragon. They hate me and Blue Dragon. They're like, wolf and dragon. I don't know why. Why did everyone have to hit me and Blue Dragon? And Blue Dragon had that tough life. And Blue Dragon. BFF. Not actually. Okay. Nope. Okay, guys. Here. Miss. Okay, let's try again. Back to the TD. Here. Oh, missed. Okay. Let's not move further. Hiya. And oh yeah, bro. Go down. It's a bridge. The same piggies live. The same pigs. down there into the clouds. Or is this a city? It's a city. Why are we even in the city? I mean, look at that building right there. It's an angry bird. The bird like going, ah! Ah! I don't know what a bird does. GG fell off. Mission failed. Oh my god, I didn't know the teacher was gonna do that. I went off. Yep. Okay, there we go. We can do this! Nope. Wait. What the heck? That bird's like... I'm surprised what I've seen. A venter. I don't know what that thing was. It looked like a vent. Look like an air machine, like a fan, a really weird fan. Okay, level 10. Here we are, level 10, the hardest level that everyone thinks in video games. I'm you again, yay! I like you, I like him. I wanna be you. Wait a minute, I'm already old. What do you mean? I'm already 2020 years old. No, I'm not that many years old. I'm really old. Oldest wolf because I was with the cavemen. Yep, thanks. But otherwise, I hope you guys enjoyed the video of me play some Angry Bird Star Wars Rise of the Clouds. Next time, I will do the passage. And then, when I'm finished with this whole thing, we can go with it this way. Revenge of the Porks. But always hope you guys enjoyed the video of me playing Angry Bird Star Wars. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye!